Understanding the first frost date, a guide for gardeners. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of gardening and weather. We're going to explore what the term, first frost date, means and why it's crucial for those of us with a green thumb. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding this term will help you plan and protect your precious plants. The first frost date refers to the time of year when your area experiences its first light freeze, meaning temperatures drop to at or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. This event is significant because it marks a pivotal change in the gardening season. It's nature's gentle nudge, signaling that winter is on its way. Knowing your local first frost date is vital for gardeners for several reasons. 1. Plant protection. Certain plants are sensitive to frost. Understanding when the first frost is likely to occur helps gardeners take measures to protect these plants. 2. Harvest planning. Many vegetables and fruits need to be harvested before the first frost to prevent damage and ensure the best taste and quality. 3. Gardening schedules. The first frost date influences when to plant certain crops, especially those that cannot withstand cold temperatures. While the exact date can vary each year, there are ways to estimate the first frost date in your area. 1. Local agricultural extensions. These organizations often provide region-specific gardening information, including frost dates. 2. Gardening groups or forums. Local gardening communities are a wealth of knowledge and can offer insights based on years of experience. 3. Online resources. There are websites that provide estimated first frost dates based on historical weather data. Be prepared. Have frost protection tools like cloths or covers ready to shield sensitive plants. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the local weather forecast as the first frost date approaches. Record keeping. Note down the frost dates each year. This personal record can help you better predict future frost dates. Understanding the first frost date is a crucial aspect of successful gardening. It helps you protect your plants, plan your harvest, and schedule your planting. We hope this video has shed light on this important topic and helps you in your gardening endeavors. Happy gardening, and remember, a little preparation goes a long way in nurturing your garden through the seasons.